Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's get a video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like the video. If you don't like it, you're a hater. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Go to the YouTube mobile app, click join on the channel. It's the third tier. That'll give you all access to every single play that we buy and sell, price targets, and also a stop loss. Whenever you see the stop loss, that's where I'm getting out at, guys. I'm getting out to play. And if I was to get back in it, I'm going to get in on my own terms. Once it bottom out, I usually don't like to double back and call the same play out again, and then you lose twice in one play. I like to give it breathing room. You get what I'm saying? And if I do get back in, or if you get back in, just get in with, you see what's going on. You got out for a small strategic loss. It dropped $10, $15 from where I got out at. Because anytime I get out, 9 times out of 10, that junk is about to drop hard. So you can even play the opposite. Well, we out, let's buy puts. But sometimes, you know, that ain't gonna always be the case. I can get out and the stock shoots up. But a lot of the times, usually when I get out, the stock tanks down. So you buy the opposite, buy the puts. Not telling you exactly, you know, this is not financial advice, just telling you to use, it's no exact way to do this. It's no one correct way, one exact way. It's multiple different ways, multiple different things, multiple different tricks. You know, you don't got to buy stocks all at one time. You can have an average. Whenever I'm buying a stock, usually when you buy, it drops a little bit just to scare you out. So I'm going to start with a small position. If I want to buy $1,000 worth, I'm going to just buy 200. And then when it drop on me a little bit, I'm gonna buy 300 more. And then if it drop a little bit more, I'm gonna buy 300 more. As long as I get in before that main support level is blown through. Because once that's blown through, you just buying a falling knife now. And you're gonna get in a world of trouble doing that. And I don't average down buying more than I usually buy. So if I usually buy $1,000 worth of a stock, I'm not saying I'm gonna buy 1,000 and then just because it's falling, I'm gonna buy 1,000 more and 1,000 more. That's stupid. Only way I add more to it is if I don't got my desired amount that I usually buy. That makes sense. So if I only bought $100, $200, that ain't really much to me. I ain't gonna really make no money like that. So not saying that, don't take my words wrong. I'm saying there's different levels to this. Where I'm at, that's where I'm at. But some people, that's what your main target is, to get only $200 worth. So you need to start off and just buy 25 or 50. If it drop and it don't reach that stop loss level, you can buy more to have a smaller average. So then once it go up for us, you ain't got to wait for it to pass that higher number. Soon as it pass that mid-range number, you already in the money. You already making money. Make sense? So little things like that, like I said, there's no one exact way to do it. 9 times when I get out doing sell, puts, like it's about to drop, and then reverse it and buy calls or buy, you know, shares for the upside potential. So we had called Tesla out. What I had told you guys, and they coming out talking about blase woo woo, the inflation report got the market going up. The market was about to go up anyway. Like I tell you guys, don't be too fooled by what they say. A lot of the times the market can be controlled by what's going on. Like when the tariff situations was looming, that's definitely had an effect on the market. Whenever the market pull back like that, it's multiple things. It's never one thing. Just like when you get in a relationship with somebody, you don't just go with them because they pretty. Oh, she bad as hell, I'm about to get with her. Nah, it's because she pretty, she treats you good, she nice, she know God, she's, you know what I'm saying, she know how to have that nurturing love for you. And there's multiple things that get you in a relationship. When you break up, it ain't because she made you mad. It's multiple shit. She done cheated on you with your homeboy. She done slapped you. She don't cook. She don't clean. She dirty. She ugly. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with the stock market. It's not never one thing. So I don't want to say the wrong thing where you take that and run with it and be like, oh, you think, nah, it's multiple things. So like I said, with the tariff situation, you got multiple things that intertwine that makes the stock market fall. Also due to calibration, it was ready for the market to calibrate. It had to pull back some. That's a healthy market. Nothing goes straight up, nothing goes straight down. It got to do that. So that was another reason or whatnot. Like today though, like I told you guys, whenever they came to the White House with Trump and Elon lost $150 billion, nearly almost half his net worth, if that stock ain't go up. If they didn't pull that move they pulled yesterday, the market probably being down again today. And he would have lost even more money. That dude was panicking. I'm telling y'all, Trump bought them Teslas out, saying that it's illegal to boycott a company. It's only illegal whenever they hands is tied in it. But if they hands is against it, it ain't illegal. You see how stuff work? But anyways, I told you guys, I'm paying attention to what's going on. I wish I'd about Tesla the day before. I'm a day trader. I like to buy and sell and kind of be out of positions going into the next day, so I know I got my small loss or I got my nice gain that I was aiming for, and not having to hold something overnight and it gap down on me and I lose majority of my money. Gapping up is positive. I would love that. But in certain situations, like the unique situation on yesterday, I wish I would have went on here and held Tesla overnight, because whenever I know these things like that, they'll try to be slick, the market, and run the stock price up prior to the market opening. If you paid attention, I gave y'all that free play. I was 100% certain. I'm like, Tesla is about to make me a lot of money. I was about to put 10 grand on Tesla. The only reason I didn't put 10,000 on it, and the day is up 8%, I would have made probably like $20,000 today. I keep missing these opportunities with Netflix. Before it dropped $100 in a day, I was on it. I was in the puts the day before. They just waited so I sold my before they dropped it. As soon as I sold out, which will never happen again, they dropped it, and I lost out on 50 grand in a day, which is insane. The day I could have made 20,000 off Tesla, but I was less likely to put that type of money on it when it already ran up in the pre-market. Pay attention. It already opened up $10, $12 higher. I'm like, now it's midway. That's what I want to tell you in this video. Whenever it's midway, it's best to kind of sit on the sidelines and just miss out on that day. Wait till the odds is more in your favor. But I make mistakes just like y'all. I made a mistake today in the VIP. It ain't really a big mistake. I got out at exactly where I said I would get out at, but it's just the fact that I don't even supposed to call out that play. Not Netflix, what was it? Netflix, yeah. Not even Tesla. I ended up calling out Tesla too, but I didn't call it out bluntly because I had made that bad play on Netflix when I knew I shouldn't have been in it. Pay attention to that. I shouldn't even touched it. It wasn't an A+ setup. The only way I was supposed to touch Netflix if it didn't run up pre-market as well and was already near the bottom, you know what I'm saying? And I had all that room to the upside. So anyway, same thing with Tesla. Tesla was already up by the time the market opened. So buying it was a bit more sketchy than buying it with the same price it was at yesterday before I was telling everybody to buy. They ran it up in the pre-market. And by the time the market opened, it was already up. Even though it dipped and then went up again, but it was kind of already at its peak. Besides, now it's up in after hours at 253 and all that, but it's up over $20 a day. Easy money. If I could have got in, if you could buy options in the pre-market, oh my gosh. Lord, that would be a game changer. But anyways, though, guys, I just want to give y'all that information to help y'all out on that. Also, going into tomorrow, the banger I'll be looking at, it sound kind of weird. Like, dang, this play out of all play. Dollar General. I'll be looking at Dollar General stock on tomorrow. And I am looking for upside potential. But like I said, though, I should have gotten that play today. I wouldn't know my P's and Q's with DG. I thought they report earnings after close tomorrow. Instead, they report at pre-market, at open. So that's another play. If it runs up like I expect, it's gonna already be up prior to the market opening. But still, it'll be room and potential there to still make money, as long as it ain't too far up. If it's too far up, it's dead. I'm not gonna play with it. But if it didn't go up as much as I expected to, I'm gonna still give it a chance. So you already know I'll be looking at that tomorrow, guys. Yes, and I also be looking at Apple, Tesla, Netflix, the big dogs like that too. Seeing how the overall market play out. But pay attention to details, pay attention to that. You don't have to trade every single day. Sometimes it's okay to just sit on the sidelines and be like, man, I'm not doing nothing for the day. I'm gonna protect my gains from the rest of the week, or I'm gonna wait for a better opportunity to come. You feel me? I really only want to call out and play A+ setups. Even an A+ setup can be wrong, but it's just give you that sense of accomplishment. Even when you lose, it's like I traded the A+ setup. I waited for the best. I executed my plan. I got in where I said I would. I got out where I said I would. I played at the risk level that I said I would. I sized in correctly. It's multiple things. You see how all them things I'm calling out? It's multiple things that lines up to let you know you own your shit. You sticking to the process. You doing what you supposed to do. So anyways, y'all already know what to do. Add you over on Instagram at @thebshow_. If you want a one-on-one phone call, DM me. We do those. If you need a portfolio, review your portfolio, all that good stuff, give you some type of advice on that, we do that. Hit me up. Also, feel free to join VIP. Third tier give you all access to every single play. We enter and exit, exclusive, give you access to the earnings plays that I call out. So even though earnings is very risky 9 times out of 10, but with market experience, psychology, only trading the best earning setups, your odds will be more in your favor. Meaning I'm not just every single earnings, I'm not just throwing a dart. I'm waiting for the ones that make the most sense, if that makes sense. So you already know what to do. Add your boy. We go.